At Transparent, we have been curious for years how we can further develop the senses in the home. Fragrance gives us the ability to experience powerful, instant emotions and memories. We have engineered a device in honor of this beautiful sensory phenomenon. The Aroma Diffuser spreads fragrance in a room. An ultrasonic piezo element is turning scented liquid into a fine mist. Fragrance making has a long history. We have a deep appreciation for this culture of craftsmanship, and we wanted to honor it by crafting a device inspired by the laboratory where fragrances are born. The Aroma Diffuser offers a safe and healthy way to fill your home with the fragrance of your choice, without the open flames, smoke, or pollutants that traditional scented candles release into the air. Transparent offers a curated selection of essential oils, timeless, natural fragrances found in the forest and in the garden, collected and cultivated for the home. But our device is of course also compatible with any room diffuser perfume available around the world. To dispense the fragrance oil into the water tank, just press the button on the diffuser lid. Then use the vapor and timer controls to further curate your fragrance experience. At Transparent, we have cultivated a modular design philosophy, whose purpose is to enable products to become better over time instead of becoming obsolete. All parts of the Aroma Diffuser can easily be taken apart and put back together. This allows for easy cleaning, maintenance, repairability, and upgradability over time, allowing the products to last, potentially forever. We decided to come back to Kickstarter, where it all started for us back in 2012. For the first time since then, we are venturing into another product category outside audio, and we wanted to give our online community the chance to participate once again in an equally exciting journey for an equally exciting sensory experience. Whether you're discovering Transparent for the first time or have followed us from the beginning, we hope you are as excited for this new chapter as we are.